How to disable Facebook share button. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can disable your save button on Facebook post. Now to do so is quite easy and simple, so let me guide you. First, open up the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, what you want to do is head over to the three horizontal lines icon that you can see on the screen, and once you do this, head over to settings. Once in settings, if you scroll down below, and you'll see the option audience and visibility. Now what you want to do is under audience and visibility, you can see the option profile and tagging just below followers and public content. Now if you don't find this here, you can just simply use the search bar. At the top right corner you can see search bar. Now head over to profile and tagging, and here you can see the third option under viewing and sharing. Allow others to share your post to their story. Now if you turn this off, then others won't be able to share your post to their story. Now after this, however, it will allow them to share to their timeline. So what you can do is head back and head to a particular post that you have uploaded or the particular post that you have shared, and then what you can do is tap on the three dots option, and here you can see the option edit privacy. Tap on it and head over and tap this in friends. Now if you do this, others won't be able to view and share your post except your friends. Unfortunately, there is no any option to turn off the share option on your post, but you can enable the privacy and set it to only your friends to be able to share and view your post. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.